Hello, today I am unpacking the JETE microphone. I bought it in Indonesia, a wireless microphone for phones only. They have two options, so the one for camera and this one for phones, for smartphones. So I bought it, here we go. I bought it for 500,000 rupiah, which is around 25 euros. Around $30, 30 US, even less, maybe 28 US dollars. With the nice bag and the wireless microphone, so the sound that is terrible now will be better in the next slides. And here I am unpacking it. Wireless microphone, so there are two microphones and one plug for USB-C, one plug for iPhone. Okay, let's go. So here we are. Let's save the plastic, and here I have the microphone. Let's open. Alright, a beautiful case. So here we are. I will take a picture, snatch a quick picture. Alright, and we have the wireless microphone. So here we have the case. It is in plastic. Let's open. And here's the microphone. So we have one microphone, second microphone, one plug for the phone for USB-C for Android and one for iPhone, and to charge everything here with USB-C. So everything is charging by itself, no need to plug individually the microphones. And what else we get in the case? A beautiful case. What else we have? Oh, we have a bag, a beautiful bag. Okay, nice bag, and inside the bag, what's that? Oh, we have the fake hair for the microphone to get a better sound and especially avoid the spitting noises. What's this? Here it's a charging cable, a USB-C charging cable, and for the second microphone again. This hair, I have no idea how it's called, but this kind of fake hair to put on the phone, the microphone, for better sound. And oh, and here we have the tie clips, so we can clip the microphone like this later. Alright, so this is all we have. Here we have the cable. I don't need to open the cable, I already have, but it's a very short one, very short cable. I would say around 20 centimeters. Oops. I lost one hair. Okay. So here is everything we got. The USB-C cable, two hair, two tie clips. Here we have the case. Ah yes. Here we have the case. And inside the case we have one microphone, two microphones, one iPhone smartphone plug, and one USB-C smartphone plug. So here's everything we got. I will just snatch a picture. Alright, it's beautiful. So again, this for around $28 US. Which is very good, and everything is magnetized. So here we have the microphone and we have a magnet. This is a magnet. So if I want to put the microphone on myself, I just take the magnet, put it under like this, and here I can put my microphone nearly anywhere, or I can use this. Oh, wait, so I got the two magnets here. There is one magnet for each tie clip. Okay, or I can use this tie clip. So I have one magnet and a tie clip. Let's remove the microphone. Okay, that's how it works. So here I have put the tie clip, and I can just have it like this. I don't know yet how to use this hair for microphone. I guess it just wraps the whole microphone like this. Alright. I don't know. But I guess it wraps the whole microphone. Okay, now let's try. Alright, let's try it. So I will record a clip without using the microphone, and we will see if the sound is better. So here is some sound recorded on my phone without the microphone, and the sound when my phone is away from me, and let's see if the microphone sound is better. Let's try to use it. First of all, plug the USB-C here in my phone. Alright, it is turning on. I didn't charge it yet, so maybe it is not charged at all, and I want to use the microphone. Oh, it is on. It is on, the blue lights are on, but I have no idea if it's working or not. I never used. There is no manual, not really. Here's the manual. No, this is the warranty. Ah yes, the manual. Alright, everything is in Indonesian. Okay, let's just quickly use Google Translate to check what, if I have to do anything special. Okay, so I have to pair. That's right. Alright. Okay, so I have to press the button for 2 seconds. No, I turned it off. Okay, I turn it on. It needs to pair. It is still blinking because it is not paired yet, so how to pair? Okay, so it is not paired. How to pair it? Again, instructions are in Indonesian, and I don't speak Indonesian. I don't see anything in English. No, nothing in English. So the transmitter is blinking because the microphone is not paired yet, and I'm looking how to pair it in the instructions. So the receiver is flashing blue because the transmitter has not been connected. Yes, that's true. And how to connect? This one is off, let's turn it on. Okay, now this one is connected, the second light has stopped blinking, but the first one is not connected yet and the light is still blinking. Hello, hello. Alright, I turned it off, let's turn it on again. Okay. So one is working and the other one not yet. Okay, turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay, so this one is syncing but not the other one. I will have a look later. For now, let's start recording some sound. Hello, hello. So I will record another video with my microphone on. I take the magnet, put it here, okay, and record the video. Okay, I am now recording a video with the new microphone, and hopefully the sound is better, especially when the phone is away from me. So let's check it. I will check it later because this will not be possible to hear in the from this recorded video. So I will check. Without video, without microphone. When the phone is away, it's not so good. And with the microphone on. Wow, the sound! Wow, the sound is much better. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa! Now that's a big difference. Okay, you can directly hear it from the two videos, so it's perfect. I have to figure out how to pair this first microphone. I'm sure it's very simple, but I have to read the instructions more carefully. I'll take care of my coffee. Alright, so what can I do? I will unplug and it turned off. Now I will plug it again. Okay, one is not blinking, the other one is blinking, so I guess this one is paired. I turn it off. Yes. This one is pairing fine, but this one not. So I long press it, turn it on again. No, why you don't want to pair, my friend? Okay. This one is again not recognized. I don't know what's happening. I really don't know what's happening. Alright. Let's check the instructions again. Take out the mic from the channel to turn it on, and the mic is outside. Press the MFB. Yes, it is on. Okay, one microphone is not recognized. I think I've tried everything now, so maybe I will take it to the shop and check with them. Must not be a big issue. So yeah, the JETE MP2 series wireless microphone, it makes much better recording than my phone, and this is probably the last video with terrible sound recorded with my smartphone. Alright, ready for new adventure.